Hello to my YouTube family. Do you know what I want? That you all make money. That's why I'm here. My name is Dr. Moneymaker. You are watching Penny Stock Specialist, and there are so much coming in this upcoming videos. So please don't forget hit the subscribe button. You know what? I can understand your frustration. Stock is going down and down from many days without any reason. Now the question is, should you sell this stock or not? In my opinion, I think we should all wait just few more days. They might win the case. In the case they win the case, you will not have chance to buy it again. Or you will have chance, but you will have to buy this stock in premium prices. Or tomorrow we might have some good news. So that's why in my opinion that we should all wait. If we wait 1 or 2 weeks, if we wait more 3 days, what will happen? Nothing else. So in my opinion, today was the bottom of the stock. So from the further, stock will go up. But this is stock market, who knows? The reason of being bullish on this company because of its product, vape products. E-cigarette is the best alternative to the normal cigarette. And the second fact is, the half of the population of the whole world is smoking. So this is key product. So according to me, the demand of its product is going to increase every year. So I can say, like, in upcoming years, this company gonna be a billionaire corporation. But I might be wrong, because this is stock market, who knows? Any business can be failed. So there is no 100% guarantee. So please research your own, but this is my views. So according to the technical analysis, I see the candle. I can say there might be 50% chances that we can see the reversal on the Monday. Maybe stock can reverse or can go more down. I'm not sure about this at the moment. So this was my review, my views, my feelings, my beliefs about this company. What do you think about this company? Please comment, let me know.